Hey, it's Carly, your health and wellness coach, and I wanted to bring you another recipe to get your house chemical free. And the recipe that I have today was a game changer for us. And so I was the mom that I would always buy the Lysol spray, right? The Lysol wipes, everything Lysol. I just trusted Lysol to kill chemicals, which it does. It does. But I didn't realize how many chemicals from the Lysol were affecting our bodies, and when it's from the outside coming in, our body has to go into overdrive in order to detoxify. So I just decided that I was going to detoxify our house. That's why I'm giving you these informational videos. But today I wanted to show you how to create your own disinfectant. You don't have to buy those Lysol sprays. Not only are you going to save money on buying the cans, save the environment, you don't have to throw them away, those aerosol cans, and all of those wipes that get thrown into the trash, but it's also safe. So everything that goes into my Lysol, I don't have to tell my kids, why don't you wait a few minutes for all of the chemicals to subside? I don't have to put my dogs outside while I'm spraying down the cushions or the pillows. And maybe it's just me, but you know, my son, he loves stuffed animals. So I'm not gonna wash them all the time. So I will spray them. And I used to spray them with Lysol. And now that I think back to it, this is such a safer alternative. So without further ado, to make your Lysol, I get a glass bottle, and I get a pretty large one because I spray a lot. And whether it's to spray just in the air, so get rid of your Febreze, get rid of the Lysol, you can spray this in the air. It's totally safe if it lands on your clothes or on the floor. So I get a large bottle. And then you want to fill it mostly with water, 16 ounces of water. And I take lavender and put about 5 drops of lavender. 5. And then I take lemon, and there's no coincidence that that's why there's a lot of lemon scented cleaning products, because we know lemon kills things. The problem is those lemon scented products have so many other chemicals in it that the lemon is just simply a smell. Like, it doesn't actually provide you any benefit. It just kind of smells good. This lemon, however, does provide you with a lot of extra benefits. So about 10 drops of this. And then I put in 15 drops of my rosemary. And rosemary is not only going to smell good, it's also good to kill some of that bacteria. And believe it or not, it is actually good to ingest as it cleans out the gut. So it's healthy for your skin, your hair, your gut, and now you're cleaning. And then I do 15 drops or so of Melaleuca. And I've talked a lot about Melaleuca before. It just cleans everything. Inside, outside, around you. Done with that. Then you put on your spray cap. And then you are done. You are ready to go with a chemical-free way to disinfect your entire house. And you don't have to rid the room of family or friends or have any leftover chemicals for your body to detoxify from. So if you have any other recipes or ideas on how to disinfect your house, please leave them comments below. And to learn how to disinfect or clean cleanly without chemicals, go ahead and hit subscribe, and that way you can get any videos as soon as they are published.